Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna show you our little makeover of our front porch patio area. I did record this and everything, but I recorded through my phone. My phone dropped and it broke and it got disabled because it was pressing incorrect pin pads on its own, so it got disabled, and so I had to go restore it. It erased everything, so I lost all my footage. But I do have some photos that I posted on Facebook, and I was able to get those photos off of Facebook, so I have some before and after photos, but no videos. And I really wish I had the videos because you would have been able to see the process of everything, but sadly I don't. So for now I'm just gonna show you the photos. Sadly I can't show you the videos, but you still will see the big difference that it's made, and there are some more things that I'm trying to do to the patio. But so far this is what I've done, and I'm gonna show you through these photos. And while I'm here, I could also give you a walkthrough of the after and what else I would like to do. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like videos like these. I am gonna do more videos like this because there's a lot of things I want to do to this house to make it our own. I've already started my daughter's bedroom, so I have already started my daughter's bedroom, but I'm not finished, so I kind of want to finish and then post that video up. So that video will be coming up soon. I also want to do shiplap on this wall here and also paint the kitchen cabinets. So there's a lot of videos that will be coming soon. But yeah, let me show you the before and after of our front porch, and I hope you guys like it. So here's the front door. I changed the locks. It's all dusty because we have a bunch of sand, but I did change these locks. This was the original doorknob. It was already here. It was like a gold color, and I painted it, and I hope I have a picture that I could show you what it used to look like. But I just painted it black to match the new knobs. My brother and his wife got us this welcome sign, and I would like to put it up, and I will show you where I'd like to put it up. Yeah, this, I don't like this. I have to like peel all this stuff off or poke holes into them or something to fix that. But let me show you. So I painted these white. They used to be red. There they are. This used to be gold, and I painted it black to match everything else. And this luckily was already black, so I don't have to do anything with that, just probably clean it up. So I'm editing, and I said I didn't have to do anything with this light. I didn't have to do anything as in to buy a new light fixture and replace it or anything. The only thing I did do was change the light bulb, because it used to be a very, very yellow light bulb that literally made our porch yellow at night when we turned it on. And I love the color yellow, but I did not like that for a porch light, so I did end up switching it out for a white bulb instead, and it's so much better than the yellow. eventually I would like to put a wood decking area here instead of it being cement like this. We did get some solar panel lights that will stick into the yard here, but we also did put cameras and solar lights also. And we did end up taking some of the bushes out and everything, that big bush that was pulling our fence down, and we trimmed these bushes as well, but we still have a lot of yard work that needs to be done. But yeah, so far this is what it's looking like, and I can say I love it. So these are the solar lights that I want to put along the driveway and near the front door. Okay, so the paint I used is Bare Ultra. What shade is this? Oh, it's green meets blue. And then for the white, I use this, also Bare Ultra Pure White. And this one is a paint and primer in one. And this one is also a paint and primer in one. This to cover up the red, it took, I think, 2 coats, 3 coats. I can't remember how many coats, but I think I might have to do another coat. I'm not sure. And with this, it only took 2 coats. And for the black that I did on the doorknob and on the doorbell is this apple barrel, and it's jet black. It's just acrylic paint. It works the same. It hasn't like scratched off or anything yet. So I mean, there's just like these little scratches here, right there, but it's okay because, you know, this kind of has that kind of around it, so it's kind of the same thing in a way. But yeah. And also this welcome home sign, I forgot to mention where I wanted it. I want to do it in between the doorbell and the porch light, so in the middle there.